With the seal, it's what we call a split seal, so it is actually meant to be one long length, but if it's leaking out that point, this is how you can fix it. So firstly, you pull up both ends and you simply use a tube of silicone, standard silicone. You put a bit of silicone, I'll show you how to do that. So what you use is a standard silicone, and you just open up the seal, you can put the nozzle inside there. Again. Right, and you just put a little squirt of silicone either side. You can see inside there's just a little bit in the top. You do the same on the side. Sorry. A little bit of silicone for about 1 centimetre either side. You can see it in there. Then you push it back down, and you at the same time pulling it together so they touch. As you can see then, the silicone squirts out of the gap. Just take it with your finger, smooth it over like that, and then you'll never have a problem with it leaking.